What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we're going to be doing an open cup. I'm using cerulean blue, titanium white, and a violet. These are all three mixed with 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. I was using the Artist Loft paint. I'm going to start by just putting a little bit of a base coat of white down. How's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm having a great day. I think this will be my first painting in about 6 months. It's been quite a while. I've missed you guys. I've missed myself. But we're gonna have a beautiful little open cup when we're done here. I did put a small amount of the coconut oil hair serum around the rim of the bottom of the open cup. I don't know that it really does a whole lot, but I found when I do it, I'm more often pleased with the results than when I don't. I do want this to be kind of a lighter painting. I don't want it to be really dark. I am still just alternating light and dark. Starting to get a little bit warm over here in Arizona. I think it's already started breaking records. I don't know what's going on to make it so crazy, but now I'm just lifting the cup, letting some of those rings open up from inside. And then you're going to see the coconut oil is allowing some of the cells to start to form. Let some of this punch through, hopefully to mix more with the color. And that is my Piper. She's not happy. I know, baby. Come on in. Ooh, look at all of that. That's really nice looking. Haven't painted in so long I forgot I probably need my heat gun. So I probably should grab that. The cells to kind of open up. Kind of on their own. There we go, a little bit of heat. This just kind of helps some of them open up initially. I enjoy applying heat to it because then initially I get some of those cells to start opening up, and then over the stretch they open up even larger. I'm gonna let this punch right through so it churns with those other colors. Tries to lighten them up maybe a little bit. And then I'm gonna give it just a little bit of a spin. That's so cool. So pretty. See how I got the heat gun to it faster, helping them open up in a more controlled way. Yeah, I love those little bullseye looking ones. Now I should be able to let this churn through the white a little bit, and let this churn through the white a little bit. And it should lighten them up too, but it should let them do different patterns. So when I lifted it, I just turned, as you saw, and it kind of created that little feathery lines. Probably gonna do one more little layer, and then we can get to the outside edges, do our stretch. As you get towards the center, I like to try to make my layers thinner and thinner, so that way the concentric rings are, you know, to the same scale as the center. As the painting goes more towards the middle, the rings get thinner and thinner. And I do know that the paints are going to mix how they're going to mix when they flow underneath that rim of the cup, but it does make me feel better when I do it this way. Just smaller and smaller. Go, and then we can do our swipe with the open cup. I just swipe it over the whole center area right there, and then I'm going to put a little bit of white on these sides so that this paint can flow instead of just rolling under. It's probably plenty. Piper wanted in, now she wants out. What's wrong, baby? You heard me say your name? Piper. No, baby, you're mad. Okay, well, give me a second. You gotta give me a second. Here. Go ahead. Crazy girl. Alright, so a little bit of heat initially before the spin. Help any cells open up if they're going to prior to the stretch. And then we can kind of organize this better so I'm not ruining any of these paints for no reason. Alright, so then I want to center this. Take the weight of the paint back towards the middle of the canvas. Alright. Man, that's gorgeous. Here we go, y'all. Oh, let me get this out of the way. Ooh. Now we have some really nifty looking cells popping up in the middle. Piper is so mad. I don't know if you can hear her outside. She's just not a happy girl today. Oh, wow. Okay, I love it. That's pretty, y'all. Dang. I don't know why I took such a long break. Let me coat these corners really well. Poor Piper. She's so not happy. Let me see. Over here, good. Over there is good. A little bit on this side. Just a little swipe there. Let me get you guys down here. Check this thing out. It is glorious.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.